Hello and welcome to my channel, IKnowGadgets. Today, we'll be talking about the 2021 Apple iMac with the M1 chip. This all-in-one desktop computer has an 8-core CPU, 7-core GPU, and a 24-inch Retina display with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD storage. It even comes with matching accessories. The M1 chip delivers exceptional performance that makes everyday tasks like browsing through photos and browsing Safari faster. All your hardest working apps also have access to the power they need. The design of the iMac is strikingly thin and available in 7 vibrant colors, making it a perfect fit for your life. All your go-to apps run lightning fast on the iMac, including Microsoft 365, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Affinity Photo. You can even run many of your favorite iPhone and iPad apps directly on your iMac. The 24-inch 4.5K Retina display features 500 nits of brightness and support for 1 billion colors, making everything from streaming movies to editing photos sharp, vivid, and colorful. iMac also features 2 Thunderbolt/USB 4 ports, up to 2 USB 3 ports, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and a headphone jack. It has a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, a studio-quality 3-mic array, and a 6-speaker sound system with spatial audio. This iMac comes with 256 GB and up to 1 TB of fast SSD storage for all your photo and video libraries, files, and apps. Getting set up is simple, and Apple ID makes it easy for you to switch to Mac. It works with all your Apple devices, so you can do amazing things when you use them together. You can copy something on iPhone and paste it on iMac, use your iMac to answer FaceTime calls, or send texts with messages. If you want to buy the 2021 Apple iMac with M1 chip, the link is available in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, IKnowGadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech news.